Wow. I'm amazed. In Vietnam, they are so friendly. Struggling right now. Uncle, he's there running, and I'm already done. I just keep laying here so it doesn't look like I'm dying. Laying here where people can exercise actually, like her. Look at this tree. By the way, look at my shoes. Remember them. How clean they look right now. First time trying them on. I wonder how they're gonna look like in a few months. They just match with my everything, like with my nails right now. Should have put them now because they also match with my nails. Let me show you his routine. So he just hangs there for like, I don't know how long. Wow. I cannot even do one pull-up. Damn. Oh, you do it with your body weight. It's amazing. This looks so crazy. Actually, I did it. It feels so good. This is a playground for adults. Going back. Wow. That's a good technique to learn the handstand. Ooh. There's the sunrise. People are playing a lot of badminton here, but there's also a volleyball court and a basketball court, dance groups. Going to the pond for this exercise. Oh, this one is really great. I like this one. It's like swimming. Nhưng mà cái cây này đẹp thế. Oh my god. They're having so much fun. The music is like EDM style. Wow. Look at all the badminton court. Cho xin một cái bánh mì pate. I wanted to walk this way, but I'm not sure anymore because there are so many drivers are coming this way. I don't know if we can make it. Oh yeah, now it's free. But this is the bánh mì I'm getting. So this one is filled with pate. In Vietnam, they are so friendly. There was just like a man helping me crossing the street because he was like seeing me waiting and was like, "Oh, you want to cross the street?" And then he was guiding me. So nice. It's been raining really loud. Oh my god. I've been staying at home all day. I signed up for a new class, so I found a new school with better prices. I had lunch, took a nap, then I updated my CV, and I'm just chilling because it's raining outside anyway, so I'm not going out today. First Monday in Saigon in Ho Chi Minh City. Fourth day? Oh my god, it's so loud. Can you hear it? Good morning, it's 4:50. We're about to go for another run today, but I want to try this protein bar now. Look at the sunrise. just finished to get ready for the day. I'm wearing a blue top. I thought I'm gonna put a bit of blue mascara on. It's the blue one. You can just see it like slightly that it's blue. See the slightly it's blue. But I like it. This is the order I'm putting my makeup on. So these are the basics: mascara, eyebrows, and concealer, and curling my lashes. Then going like from the bottom to the top. Sometimes I want to do like this here, a bit of glitter, or like the blue mascara. So this is like the special area, like a group chat, talking.
You do not have
start
CBD,
talking.
Yeah, maybe.
I'm having a private bathroom, which is really nice. I just had a talk. I just downloaded today this app called How Talk to practice Vietnamese speaking, and this one. And I ended up talking with an American guy who lives in China. Also found a lot of Vietnamese who want to live in Germany and practice their German. And I just received a CV from my uncle because he's helping me to apply for jobs, and he has sent me a CV of one of his colleagues, I guess. The difference is also crazy because I thought a CV should be like 1 or maximum 2 pages, and he sent me a CV for like 6 pages. Yeah, he's also working for a Vietnamese company, so I'm not even sure if I should like follow his advice, because I don't know. It's like more work for me to like get in my CV, and I just graduated, so I don't have a lot of experience to like. I mean, I can do a 2nd page, but a 3rd or 4th page, and also like all my certifications are in German. Struggling right now, but I guess I don't know what to do. I think it's fine. Yeah. How beautiful! There's the lake.
Sông Saigon.
Wow, look at this. And all the beautiful houses. It's 5:23 right now. Look at this. This is not a tree. The most creative thing I've seen. How to make boring things don't look that boring. Like, to integrate in a beautiful environment. Woke up from my nap, which was like from 7 to 11 a.m. So after running, I felt so tired. But now I'm hungry and I need some ingredients. I need ketchup in my life. This one. The small one. Looking back, I think I would have found it in the convenience store, but it looked just differently. Like it has a different bottle, and it looked for me like sriracha or something. I think I'm gonna buy some lunch here or like late breakfast because she's grilling some fresh meat. Yeah, 30K. Back at a new mukbang with half of banh mi because I already ate the other half on the way because I was so hungry. That is how it looks like. Ta-da! New drink that I'm trying. I think it has almonds, peanuts. Yeah, please correct me if I do anything wrong towards speaking English or anything else. I'm really open for feedback. Feel free to just point out my mistakes. Yeah. stay hydrated. Oh, so again the drink, and I made myself spaghetti for, I don't know, another. Maybe it's already dinner. It's like in between. It's 3:50 p.m. It's been such a long time since I ate this meal, this dish. I haven't been a huge fan of pasta lately, so I want to be like gluten-free. I try to clean while I cook a bit, or at least when it's gonna cool down, I'm like trying to clean as much as I can. I should eat slower. I need to practice that, especially when it comes to like pasta. This is beef, so ground beef with the powder package and a bit of ketchup. Well, that's it, my recipe. Well, that is what my parents, like my mom and my sister, used to cook all the time because it was easy and it's like the most European dish that I could do. And I think it's also a typical European thing to like pasta with sauce. Pasta and tomato sauce is such a one of the most favorite dishes of children, I guess. I think I like pasta as a child too, but I was more into snacks in general. When it comes to favorite food, it was like always an unhealthy snacks. I used to be addicted to chips a lot, and chocolate. Oh, all kind of sweets. I have friends that eat really slowly, so I wonder how it would be like if they would do a mukbang. Cooking took me so much longer than actual eating. The balcony. Oh, cute. Xin chào. I know it's way too soon to be so lost in you. Wow. The first friend from Hello Talk. Nice to meet you. Here, there was a coffee shop. We went.